Hello guys, hi and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the unboxing review as well. I have been waiting to unbox this shoe. This is from Nike. The name of today's unboxing Nike shoe, it's Nike Venom. These beasts, the Nike Venom with the apple green color, Hypervenom. These are the legendary, beautiful. Well, here we are going to unbox these babies. Look at the texture, amazing. The detail on these shoes is amazing. The details, the design, the lining, the color, the texture is totally amazing. The feel of the shoe, the detail they have given in this shoe, unbelievable. You can see even the dots. This is the apple green, the Hypervenom logo. So can you guys see the detail here? Amazing. See the color pattern and the studs, the design of the studs below. You can actually see the marking here. Yeah, just here. Yes, the marking of the Nike logo at the bottom of the shoe with the design of the studs of the. Just look at this. Just look at this. Just look at the color of the apple green, the Hypervenom. Oh my god. Just look at the logo. Amazing. See the Hypervenom? Oh my god. I don't think so. One of my favorites in the Nike edition, especially in the sports edition. Wow, amazing shoes. So the size of these are 9.5 US. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this review. I hope you like these shoes and this video. If you like it, kindly hit the notification button to see more of these kind of unboxing videos.